What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of trivia with a twist. Alright, so in front of me I have 7 different spicy foods, and I also have my friend Fee over here who is going to be asking me trivia questions. I'm pretty average at trivia, maybe a bit below average, but that's okay. He has a total of 15 questions, and if I get one wrong, I have to eat one of these spicy foods. Starting from mild and finishing with deadly. I'm kind of nervous. Fun fact, we filmed this last weekend. We got all the way through. I really suffered, but we had no audio. And that was my own fault, so I deserve to do this again. Yeah, last time I didn't do so hot with the trivia, but if all goes well, I will not have to eat a single thing here. That's not gonna happen. If I make it through all 15 questions without getting 7 wrong, I win. If I do get 7 wrong, you guys win. So I think I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. All right, question 1.
What does the F in FBI stand for?
Federal.
Correct.
Hell yes. All right, question 2.
What color is the M in McDonald's?
Yellow.
Correct.
Hell yes. Question 3.
Which state is the volunteer state?
Arizona.
Tennessee.
Damn it. All right, so the first thing I have to eat is hot tamales. Really easy. They aren't even that hot. Very cinnamony, but super easy. All right, moving on. Question 4.
What is the shortest sentence in the English language?
Why?
Go.
Damn it. I don't even think that's legit, but okay. Next is the jalapeno. Last time, this kind of surprised me. I didn't think it would be as hot as it was, but still not too bad. These typically come in around like 5,000 Scoville units, which compared to what we're about to eat is nothing. But yeah, pretty simple. This one didn't have much taste and it wasn't super hot. This was kind of, I guess, a dud maybe. I'll bite some more of the seeds. That's where all the heat is. But yeah, still pretty easy. Moving on. Next question.
Which state is the Golden State?
Shit. This is embarrassing. Vermont.
California.
Shoulda knew that. Okay. This is not looking good. Next up is this spicy beef jerky. They say it's around 100,000 Scoville units. I don't think it was that hot, but we shall see. I do remember it tastes like leather though. Yeah, this isn't very hot. Really chewy though. It's beef jerky, so it literally looks like leather though. It might actually be. I think this is edible. It's kind of heating up, but still not too bad. All right. Next question.
What does NHL stand for?
National Hockey league.
Correct.
Easy. Alright, hold on. Next question.
Which planet spins the fastest?
Ooh. Do I know this one? I'm gonna say Venus.
Jupiter.
Damn it. I did not think it was Jupiter. Okay. Next up is the bomb. And I already know this is the worst one. It just tastes like poison mixed with battery acid, mixed with puke. I'm not looking forward to this. I am gonna put it on the swing though, hopefully make it taste a little bit better. I'm gonna give this a good go. All right, I got the wing coated pretty good. I'm gonna see how much of this wing I can eat, but it might not be a lot. Wish me luck. Still bad. Taste is just awful. I mean, the wing kind of helps, but it's still bad. Heat's starting to kick in. That's hot and bad. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. Oh, it's still getting hotter. At least I have beer though. Go Bills. Oh, I'm uncomfortable. Forgot to grab the garbage can. Ooh. I feel like I'm on Hot Ones. I wish I was better at trivia. Okay, next question. Please be easy.
What is the study of fossils?
Paleontology.
Correct.
Hell yes. Next question.
Mozzarella cheese is made from the milk of what animal?
Goat. Next question.
Wrong.
Damn it.
Buffalo.
Huh. I did not know that. Damn it. My mouth is already on fire. I forgot to say the bomb is right around 150,000 Scoville units. It's not really the heat that's the worst part, it's the taste. So, next up is Mad Dog 357. This was also on the show Hot Ones. You might know it from there. This one's 357,000 Scoville units, so almost double this. But it does taste a little bit better, so that's a plus. I'm also going to be eating this on a chicken wing.
No.
Alright, so I guess this level is a mix of 357 and the bomb. That sucks. But it is what it is. So, here we go. It's a lot of sauce. I am really sweating. It's heating up. My body doesn't like it. That's for sure. I can't. Ew. Oh boy. That's hot. That's hot and gross. So bad. I never knew a chicken wing could be so bad. Oh. My mouth is on fire. This sucks. Next question.
What color is closely associated with breast cancer?
Pink.
Correct.
Next question.
Which planet has the highest mountain? Earth or Mars?
Mars.
Correct.
Next question.
Which city has the largest population?
Tokyo.
Correct.
Too good at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Next question.
Which Italian astronomer made the thermometer?
Galileo.
Correct.
Keep them coming. Next question.
Which country has the world's largest supply of fresh water?
Sweden.
Brazil.
Damn it. Alright, I feel like I'm gonna throw up, but next up is this gumball we have. They say it comes in around 1,000,000 Scoville. It's made with ghost peppers. Oh. Okay. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna throw up. Here we go. Alright, I feel like I'm gonna throw up, but not fire. Oh boy. It's hot. I'm uncomfortable. I really hope we're getting audio. Alright, this is hot, but it's manageable. Oh, it's getting hotter. There's some sugar in this though. It kind of tastes like a Hubba Bubba. Just really, really spicy. Okay. Next question.
What is the smallest country in the world?
Greenland.
The Vatican.
Okay, that's bullshit. The Vatican obviously isn't real. The Vatican's a country?
That's what this says. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world.
Alright. I lost. Last. This is the world's hottest chocolate. This comes in at 10 million Scoville units. I put up a good effort. My mouth is on fire, but I lost. Not really surprising. This is for you guys. I'm gonna have the worst stomachache later. Oh, it's hot. It's really hot. I do not feel good. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I'm suffering over here. This is really hot. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I'm going to sit here and suffer.